Hi everybody, Karen Rao Carter here. As you can see, I'm in a very old, those ceilings are 20 feet high. Very old antique home in Merida, Mexico. One of my clients is renovating it from the literal ground up. And as you can see here in Mexico, the floors are the last thing they put in the houses before they finish. Very opposite of a lot of other construction that we're looking at. So we're looking at the location of items in the home. This south face opening here is going to be really harsh with the sun. And we're trying to figure out some orientation answers for her. And just understanding the volumes of spaces and what's going to go on in it. So this is kind of one of the things that I do that I don't think a lot of people realize that's in my little wheelhouse. I mean, I am a landscape architect and land planner, but helping people get their home really planned out well, making answers to questions on the fly for people that simply are renovating and don't have designers through and throughout, like architects and interior designers and so forth. And so if you're so inclined to need my help for this kind of thing, I can work from the ground up and understand plan views and things like that. So I thought I would remind you all that even a home like this, I will come back and shoot the after for you guys just so you can see it. But this is the backsplash. This is going to be the kitchen here. I'm standing in the dining room up the steps here now. So stay tuned for this. And in the meantime, if you have plans that you need reviewing and things, feel free to join my Move Your Stuff with Karen program, where people send in their floor plans and we discuss things, answer simple questions. First 2 calls are free, so why not? And get your plans in tip-top shape from the ground up. So this is my ground up conversation. I hope it's something that is helpful for you in the future. All right, thank you, and talk to you soon. Can you believe their bed is gonna be right there? We've got things to discuss.